Ready to light up your Minecraft world with an automatic firework display that will leave your friends in awe. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a chest full of fireworks, a dispenser, redstone dust, a redstone comparator, and a few redstone repeaters. Place your dispenser on the ground facing straight up towards the sky. This is where the fireworks will be launched from. Place a chest behind the dispenser with a hopper running from the chest and leading to the dispenser. This will allow the fireworks to be loaded into the dispenser. Run redstone dust from the back of the dispenser, then place a redstone comparator where the dust ends. Make sure the comparator is facing away from the dispenser. Next, put down 2 redstone repeaters in a line beside the comparator, then complete the redstone circuit by connecting everything back to the comparator with more redstone dust, forming a loop. Adjust the delay on the redstone repeaters by right-clicking on them a few times, increasing the time between each firework launch. Load the chest with your fireworks. The hopper will automatically transfer them into the dispenser. And that's it. Your automatic firework launcher is ready to go. Watch as it lights up the sky with a dazzling display. Now you can add some extra color to your Minecraft world for celebrations or just to enjoy the view.